Well done! Decoded for English learners. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, well done. Have you heard or read this phrase before? Stick around to uncover its meanings, usage, and more. The phrase, well done, is composed of two words. 1. Well. This is an adverb that means, in a good or satisfactory manner. 2. Done. This is the past participle of the verb, do. When combined, the literal meaning suggests that something has been completed or performed satisfactorily. Historically, this phrase has been used to express approval or admiration for someone's accomplishment. Well done is versatile and can be used in various contexts. 1. Work in school. After successfully completing a project or exam, a teacher or supervisor might say, well done, to appreciate your efforts. 2. Home setting. Imagine a child successfully tying their shoes for the first time. A parent might exclaim, well done. 3. Competitions. After a game or contest, regardless of winning or losing, participants might hear, well done, to acknowledge their effort and dedication. 4. Cooking. Interestingly, well done also refers to meat that is thoroughly cooked. For instance, if you prefer your steak with no pink in the middle, you'd ask for it, well done. Understanding synonyms can help enrich vocabulary. Here are some phrases synonymous with well done. 1. Great job. 2. Nicely done. 3. Good work. 4. Excellent. Each of these can be used in the same situations as well done, to express admiration, approval, or praise. In many cultures, giving positive feedback and words of encouragement is crucial. Saying, well done, not only acknowledges the effort but also motivates individuals to continue doing their best. It's more than just a phrase, it's a way of showing respect and appreciation. That wraps up our exploration of well done. We hope this deep dive helps you understand and use the phrase with confidence. Remember, language is not just about words but also the emotions and values they convey. Keep learning and, as always, well done on your journey to mastering English.